Two new J-20 fighter clips have been released online. The first one shows a J-20 stealth jet taking off. The J-20 has both afterburners turned on, canards flipped up to increase lifting power. The flaps on main wings are very likely upwards. This is unique in some canard layout fighters. They can use both canards and main wings to generate lift, increasing its maneuverability. Another clip shows the J-20 landing. This shows the best visual so far of J-20 releasing the drag parachute. With its canard design, the J-20 can slow down quickly by adjusting more surfaces than usual. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click like button. Thank you.